thanks for coming to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy. Behind the camera over there is Michael, as you can see. And then we got Ginger still with her Christmas outfit. Hey Ginger, we're mashing today. I got me some green too. And then Teddy Bear. Oh Michael, can you let Teddy in? Oh yeah, Teddy is in. I took him to the bathroom, but sometimes he comes in all by himself. He pushes the door, right?
That's right.
So anyway, if you come over here, I can start explaining everybody. It's very cold outside. I feel for all them people out there that live in the north side of the country, Chicago, and all them other cold states. New York City is part of it also, have that cold front. Sorry that everybody is like that, and I hope whoever doesn't have electric, they restore your electric as soon as possible. And all I can say is stay indoors, stay together, and stay warm, and just follow Cindy's recipes, and you'll be all right. So if you can follow me over here, you can see this is some ground beef. You can see that on top of the ground beef, there's garlic and oregano that I put in, okay? So just to brown it. And I put also a little tiny bit of corn oil in there so I can cook this all together. And I am going to be making a sweet plantain pie, just like a shepherd's pie, potato pie. But instead of potatoes, it's going to be sweet plantains, which are over here, so you can see them. So I'm going to peel them off in a second. And this is boiling water with salt. And when it's boiling, you put it in. But right now I can't do that because I'm trying to talk to you guys. But that's what we're going to be doing. And as you can see, this is my ground beef. And all you put in the ground beef is garlic, because you want to brown the meat with real minced garlic or chopped garlic, you know. But try to get yourself a head of garlic. They're like 99 cents, the small head of garlic, maybe $1.49. And if you can use it for the whole week, you can use that head of garlic. You can use the garlic at a time for cooking. It totally tastes fresher, and the food smells better, and it was good for you, you know. And it will like make you want to eat it. It gives you like an invite when food is fresh. Also oregano, you want to invest. There's always a Spanish aisle in all supermarkets, and they have this brand called Fiesta. That is actually a brand, I believe they make it here, but it's from Latin America, or the closest countries that we have around, which is all the Caribbean, and of course Mexico, our neighbors. And it smells really good. And instead of putting like oregano powder, you want to put real. I already put a little bit. You just take a little bit in between your fingers and you throw it like that on your meat. Okay. And then I already put a little bit of black pepper. So that's salt, black pepper, and oregano. And then this is beef. This is beef fajita spice, which it has all the seasoning. They sell it by the ounce at the supermarket. They have it also in the Fiesta seasonings or the non-Fiesta seasonings. You know, you can get it anywhere at the supermarket. But it's for beef fajita seasoning, okay? And the only reason I'm telling you guys this, because those things is good to have it when you're making these kinds of dishes. You want them on the Spanish side. The more like natural stuff you use, the better. Now these are Sazon Goya. You see, they have it in a little package, and it brings like 7 or 8 of them for $1.59. I'm gonna put one. Michael, what is your problem? Why you're moving so much?
Huh? I'm getting good camera angles, Mama.
Oh, okay. I didn't know. So you were getting, and I'm like, what's he doing now? Moving too much. I'm gonna put 2 envelopes of Sazon Goya. Okay,
all right.
Guys? Like that. See, it's starting to look totally different, isn't it, Mike?
It is.
And I'm chopping it because I want the beef, okay, that knows that I'm making to be more chopped than what it is. Okay?
Nice and fine.
And if you come over here, I lower that already. You're gonna see these olives. These are stuffed olives, Spanish olives we call them. Here they are. Here's the jar. So I'm going to use some of the juice of this olive for my cider, for the meat, okay? Now, before I do that, I'm going to cut these. I just took like 5 or 6 of them out of the jar. And this is going to be enough. And I'm going to throw them like that inside the meat. And I'm also going to throw a little bit of the water where the olives were from the jar. I put them in there on the side so you guys can see it. tomatoes roasted. Okay, so I'm gonna put some of them in here like that because we're gonna add that up to our delicious plantains that we're making. We're gonna be making and mashing, putting over there in the water, okay, to get soft. So while this is simmering like that with a little bit of tomato sauce, I only have a little tiny bit in this can. So that's all we're gonna put in there because we don't wanna make it too saucy. We don't wanna have sauce all over. This is gonna be enough sauce. So what I'm gonna do with that, guys, I'm gonna cover it with a little lid. Hold on a second, Michael. Mama's coming. Here I am. That's too much of a small lid. Something bigger than that. This one, I just wanna put it like that and simmer on two. Let's get here to the water. And these are the plátanos. So what we're gonna do, guys, is peel them like this. Okay? Just like a banana. Just peel it off. Okay? And that's from being you see, that is from the outside skin, from here, from that. And just slide it in there. You don't want to burn yourself. We're gonna have to put a little bit more water in there because the water, you see, is it needs a little bit more, right? So the same thing. So we're gonna put them all there, and we're going to make them nice and soft, boil them until they're soft, and then we're gonna take them out. We're gonna mash them, and then we're gonna make we're gonna mash them like mashed potatoes. We're gonna put them in here, which this little pan, cake pan, is gonna be buttered with this butter before the plantain mash goes in here with a layer of meat, then more plantain, a layer of cheese, go in the oven. We'll be right back. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay warm, everyone. Live again, and these are the plátanos. So you can see they're ready to mash. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna empty the water here. Okay, I'm just gonna put the lid like this. I always be careful with the steam as the water is dripping out. You know, because that same steam sometimes is so hot, it can burn you. Not me. Like I'll get like a clean my face with the steam. You can say, oh wow, I'm getting a face mask, but you see all that water? Ouch. Like I said, remember when I said that it gets hot? Yeah, it gets hot. Okay, so that's all the thing out, and now this is my masher. I'm gonna mash it, and when I come back, they're gonna be all nice and mashed. You're not gonna put any milk in it. You don't put milk in this. You just mash them to be soft because we already put butter, and let me show you in this pan where we're gonna put the first layer of plátano. All we're gonna do is mash them real nice and soft, and when they're very nice and soft, we'll be right back. What you can do to soften them up is a little tiny bit of olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, you can put a little bit of corn oil or any other type of oil that you might have. So we'll be right back when they're ready to start putting it here so we can put it in the oven, okay? We'll be right back. Thanks for watching. Guys, so thanks for coming back. So this is the plátano. I mash them, okay? And I put a little bit of just veggie oil, you know, just a little like spoon to make it soft because you don't put any milk, you don't put anything, just like that. You mash, and now with the fork, I took some there with the spoon. I gotta make a bottom layer, see? Like this. I think I'm gonna have extra plátano, Michael. What do you think?
Oh yeah.
Or maybe I gotta put a little bit more, right? Here, there you go. So the layer is not that, you know, I don't wanna make it thick, but I don't wanna make it too thin, but I'm gonna make it all even. That makes any sense, guys? Michael's like, yeah, mother. It does. All right, look how pretty. So what do we do now, guys?
Ground
beef.
beef.
Put the meat, yep. Cut the meat.
The special meat.
I think that's enough, right? For that thing. I just made a little bit because I started like trying to cook just enough so we can eat and be satisfied, but not to eat so much that it's gluttony. You know what I'm saying?
Gluttony.
Yeah, exact. Gluttony, how do you say that?
Glutton.
Glutton, yeah. People that like to eat, you know, like even they're still hungry, but their stomach is full. I mean, it's not good for you. I think people should eat enough, and when you start feeling like you're getting full, you stop eating. That's when you stop eating. There you go. That's a great thing, I think. You know? Oh, so here you go. So now we put that. And now we're going to put another layer of Mr. Plátano. I'm just gonna go like that, okay? And go like that so I can make sure that I have on every side, right, Mike?
Oh yeah.
And then after we top it, guess what we're gonna do, Mike? Huh? We're gonna put queso on top of it. That's right. Gotta put that queso on top of it. And I think the mozzarella cheese, I think it will be more better. Your father seems to like the mozzarella better. Do you like the mozzarella better?
Yeah, it's
Or
good.
you like that sharp cheddar? I think it depends on what you're making, right?
Oh yeah.
But I think that the white cheddar cheese is gonna like complement this better.
Well, it's mozzarella.
Yeah. See? Well, you see, I think the plátano was perfect, Michael. Enough, right?
Yep.
Hold on a second.
Look at that, everybody.
Yeah, wait.
Nothing left.
I'm gonna put a little bit here and a little bit there like that. Okay, hold on. Very good. So with the fork, you can actually spread it around, you see?
That's right.
From side to side. And then right after this, guys, I'm just gonna load it up with cheese on the top and we're gonna throw it in the oven like 30, 35 minutes, something like that. Oh, I brought this tray because I wanna put this on top of here just in case the cheese, after I have it in the oven, overflows. I don't want it to pour into the oven. So the tray is for that, for the overflowing. So let me try to, I hate opening these. They always give me like a hard time. Here we go. This is mozzarella. Yeah. What do you think about that, Mike?
Oh yeah.
Okay, Michael, okay, oh yeah. Queso, Michael, queso. Look at it. Look at it, Michael. Look at it. See? ¿Ves? Queso. You want queso, Michael? You want cheese? I love queso. In my family, they love
Aren't you gonna have
queso.
some?
Yeah, of course I am. I can have some of the white cheese.
Oh, okay.
You know, it's not gonna like harm me or anything like that. You think you want more? Or you're good like that?
Yeah. Cheese it up.
Cheese it up. Hmm?
Cheese it up.
Says cheese it up.
Cheese it up.
Let's cheese it up.
Cheese it up.
Let's cheese it up.
Cheese
That's
it up.
cheesing it up. That's right. A little bit more, Mike.
Cheese it up.
Michael, cheese it up, Mom. I think that's enough because we don't want it to. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah.
We don't want it. Hold on. Now let me pick these little ones that fell.
The
You
stragglers.
just throw it. That's what you call them.
Yeah.
Where'd you get that? Stragglers?
Or I don't know if
Where'd
it's
you get that
stragglers
name?
or scragglers.
I never heard of that before. How about you guys? So anyway, people, I know it's very cold, so this is like a good recipe. I know all you Spanish people have your plátanos at home. If you don't, you know, you can get plátanos. If not, make it out of potato, whatever you want. But this one with sweet plátano is delicious, let me tell you. So I'm gonna put it in the oven. Here we go. Oh, we didn't set the oven up, Mike. Oh, it's on 350. Well, it's what, 375? No, on 400. There you go. See, Michael doesn't even want to talk. So I'm
That's
just
right.
gonna 400. I'm gonna put it in now. It doesn't matter. It will get warm and hot as it is in there for 30 minutes, and we'll be back in 30 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching, and stay warm. And drink a little if you're gonna stay home, but don't drink and drive. Sorry, it took a little bit long. But I forgot.
That actually looks good.
We forgot it was in the oven. It was like 10 minutes, a little bit, you know, but it looks nice because it's not actually burning. It looks really nice. And it had time to cool off because I put a timer on it, you know. But it kind of like, yeah, I put half hour. And I'm just going to like cut a little piece, guys. You know, that's what we do, right, Mike?
Oh yeah.
Uh-huh. Okay, so. Uh-oh. Oh, there you go. How's that one?
Oh, I see the cheese.
Mm-hmm. See the cheese? Wait. Oh, it's a little bit hot, right? It's got... Uh-huh. Wow. Look, a little tiny piece like that. 'Cause I really don't want that much. But I'm going to try the first piece. I'm going to have it myself. Or maybe I should give it to your father. What do you think?
Oh yeah.
Huh?
Oh yeah.
Give it to your... I'm going to give it to my husband because he's on a diet. And you know how men are. They go on diet. But wow, look how pretty. You can see, Mike, I want you to show with the camera. You see? The
Smells
density.
really
I
good.
know. Of course it does.
Wow,
Made
it
by
cooked
Mama.
perfect. Look at that. I like the
And-
crust on it.
I know. It looks really nice. And that's all that cheese. And then this little piece here goes with that piece there. I'm gonna put it like that. Look at that, Michael. That looks amazing. Here, I want you to, here, because I'm gonna take a little tiny piece so I can eat it for the people. That one is for your father. I'm gonna go around so you can see the tomatoes, the sauce. And what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna take a little tiny piece for me. So I'm the one, I really don't get that hungry that much. Okay, here we go. And this little piece for me. Okay? From the side here, you see it?
What about me?
But I don't, did you want any?
Yes.
You do? Oh, I
Yes.
didn't know. I just, hold on.
How could I not want plátano?
All right. I'm like so weak for anything that is sweet. More plantains like this, this sweet ones, and it has the tomato. This is so good, Michael. We're gonna throw that one. Send that one to your father. Let me blow a little. Hold on. You wanna try?
No, I'm gonna have
Here.
my own plate.
Try a little. There you go. Yep. Put some of that.
Eat, Mom.
I am.
Not me. It's very
I don't
good.
get that hungry that much. But I'm gonna bring this one to your dad. He's gonna love it. I'm gonna give it to him right now so he can eat it. So you guys know what to do. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, on Google+. If you want to donate, you can scroll down and go to the link to patreon.com. That will take you directly so you guys can donate from $1 to $100 to $1,000, anything you want or don't want. We're still gonna love you. Try to make your potato pie just like the one I made here, your plantain pie, with your delicious meat and hot sauce and everything. And with that, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. Love you all. Don't drink and drive. And Michael, I'll be right down to serve you, okay? I'm just gonna bring this one to that. Love you all. Come on, teddy bear. Come on, boy.